How to connect Facebook account with Candy Crush application. So it's quite easy and simple to connect Facebook account with Candy Crush. Simply follow all the steps one by one. Launch Candy Crush Saga application on your device. Ensure you have the latest version of the application. Now on this home screen of Candy Crush application, tap on the settings or the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Here on this pop-up menu box or the settings box, tap on the My Account button. Once you tap on My Account button, you'll be taken to the section where you can sign up with email. But for now, we have to connect Facebook account with Candy Crush, so tap on Continue with Facebook. Once you have done that, you'll be taken to this section where you have to tap on the blue button that says Continue as your Facebook account. So once you have done that, you will successfully be connected or you will successfully connect Facebook account with Candy Crush. So let's tap on yes to get emails about new games and offers. Or if you don't wish to receive those emails, tap on I prefer not to receive those emails. And once you have done that, you have or your game is being saved now that your account is linked with Facebook. So that's it. That's how we easily connect Facebook account with Candy Crush. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.